At a press briefing on the 2nd of August 2021, Cabinet Minister and also MLA from Southwest Khasi Hills, Renikton, LYNGDOH, Tongkhar, had informed the media that the committee constituted by the state government to look into matters related to boundary dispute between Meghalaya and Assam would be doing their part as per instructions from the state government. Tongkhar added that on the 4th of August 2021, he along with the co-chairman of the committee, BROLDING, NONGSIEJ and other officials of the Southwest Khasi Hills District Administration would be doing their rounds of inspection on all areas of differences that fall within the said district.
There was a committee in the district in the area of differences. There was a committee constituted by the government, and one committee in West Khasi Hills I'm heading as the chairperson of the committee. So we have decided to inspect the area of differences within the district West Khasi Hills on 4th, the day after tomorrow. Myself and then Honorable Minister Babrol, who is the co-chairperson, and we will try to take along some of the representatives, of course, along with the official from the district West Khasi Hills. We'll be going to inspect all those villages falls on those recognized 12 area of differences.